Here we go in the dark, dark, dark elevator.
Wow, it's cool.
Okay.
Yes, it's snowman.
Okay.
Oh, there you go.
Press 14. Press 14.
Top one. Oh, press the 14.
Good.
Ooh.
And here we go.
Is the door closing?
Yes. It's already closed.
Yes, yeah, going out. Ooh, look at the doors.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, I can see forest going by. Hada, I'll look at Hada. I will show you. Ooh, look at the doors.
Look at the doors. Yeah, it's pretty dark in here.
Yeah, I can see forest going by.
It's pretty dark in here.
We'll go up the top floor.
Not much on lighting. I'll tell you that. On 13 and 14.
This is top floor.
Hold on, bro.
Yes, this is top floor. This is top floor.
Top floor. And still a broken piece up there. That closed. There it goes. Clank.
Very slam door.
Okay. Turn the knob and then push.
Open.
Oh. You know what? I think it's locked. Yeah, it's locked. Let's find a different one, okay? Okay. See that one's closed off because they're fixing that elevator over there. Okay. Come on. Good ones.
This side.
Is that one open or locked?
Open.
It's open? Okay. Let's go. Whoa, that's heavy. That's the heavy door. Let's put this right here. Okay. I don't know how long these have been here. Okay, good. What direction are we? We're facing Elliott School. You see Elliott School over there?
Hi.
And Mom's School? I see Mom's car. And I see Mom's car. I see Jeffy's car back there.
This is called Downtown Lincoln. These are basic. That's
Look over here. See, this one's broken. Yeah. No, that one's locked. It's broken. It's broken. See the construction they're doing in there?
They're ripping the elevator.
Yeah. No, they're trying to fix it, okay? Let's go to the next one. Come on. Here we go.
The governor's mansion.
The governor's mansion, that's right.
Does the emergency phone?
Yep, come on. Go straight this way. Right over here. There you go. The door's already open. Good. Whoosh. There's the governor's mansion, right down there.
There's Jeffy's new house.
Yeah, Jeffy's old house is right over there. You can actually see it because there's some little trees.
This is FC Community Center.
Yeah.
This going to school for governor's mansion. There's a parking lot.
Okay, come on. Let's go, bud. Good. You're doing really good. Okay. Is this one open? Okay. Come on, muscles. Okay.
There's a man coming over with the door.
What's the door? This one's open? Okay.
Southern north, north side.
This is the west side. And I see the train down there, and I see the arena with the red and green and white.
Oh, there's carriage, HSC, parking garage.
Yes.
Oh, there's a marketplace parking garage.
Yes.
Oh, there's a Haymarket parking garage.
And
there's
there's a train way back there.
And over there's like a mall. That's how we go to a square there.
Okay, let's go to the north side.
Yes.
Here we go.
Okay, I'm going.
Go to the north side if it's open. This one's open? Okay, here we go. Okay, last one, north side. Come on. Is the north side open? Or is this the one that's locked? This one locked?
I'm going home.
Yeah, okay. It's fine. Okay.
The car's car.
Take the elevator down. Take the elevator down. There it is. Here we go. Clank, clank, clank doors. Okay, press 1.
Press the 1.
Okay. Here goes. Clank, clank.
The basement's locked.
Yeah, the basement's locked. Here we go.
Okay, here we go. This M1 slot, empty lock. M3 slot, 4 is locked, 5 is locked, 9 is locked, 15 slot.
13. 13 locked.
Okay, here we go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
And the maintenance.
M, 3, 2, 1.
And leveling.
See this level. Here we are.
Dunker, dunker.
Bing bong.
Come on,
Here
go.
we are. Here we are. And
Just about done.
there we go.
And that's
Watch
it.
it going up.